Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the lens and the cutout ready. Start by tracing a rectangular window on the cardboard size to the lens. Cut carefully along straight lines because a snug fit reduces wobble. Once done, test fit the lens, optical side toward the phone screen, so text enlarges cleanly. Make sure to keep your ruler aligned and your cuts perpendicular. Sloppy edges cause light leaks and distortion. If using acrylic, score and bend slowly to avoid cracking. Place the lens into the window and secure it with thin tape or a couple of small glue dots. Avoid covering the viewing area. Next, fold or glue the cardboard into a hood at about a 45 to 60 degree angle so the phone sits beneath and the screen faces the lens. Test distance by moving the phone until the image is sharp. Once you find focus, mark the ledge location. Make sure the assembly is rigid. Any flex changes the focal distance. Set the phone on its ledge and play a high-contrast video or open large text to fine-tune focus. Move the phone forward or back in small increments until edges are sharp. Once satisfied, reinforce joints and, if glare appears, line the hood interior with black matte paper to absorb stray light. If the image is distorted, rotate the lens slightly or swap sides. Some Fresnel lenses are directional. If nothing helps, check for scratches or dirt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.